back to the Blue Garage, guys. I am Greg, and today we are at Starz in Yuma, Arizona. A new location for them. First one here in Yuma. Or what we are doing today is getting PPF wrap on that new carbon fiber hood. Got to keep it clean, got to keep it fresh, keep it from getting scratched out on the highway. And then we're re-tinting all of the windows, including the windshield. 20% on the front, 35% on the back, and then 70% on the windshield. So pretty straightforward. No work on my hands today other than talking about the product and getting stuff done. So I'm looking forward to seeing the work that they do, welcoming them to Yuma. As I mentioned, one of the things we're getting done today is the Ultimate Plus PPF wrap on the hood. You can get it in clear or black. Protects against scratches, rock chips, and environmental contaminants. So super excited to finally protect this hood. It's been on the truck for a few weeks now. No scratches so far. Thank God we made it this far. All the highway driving that I said I wouldn't do, I did do. Time to protect it and keep it looking good forever. So we're installing the XR Plus Nano Ceramic Tint. The Nano Ceramic technology protects from 96% of harmful heat and 99% of harmful UV rays. So it'll be much cooler out here. It is currently 86 degrees at 8:26 in the morning. Love the look. We're going 20% in the front, 35% in the back since they're already smoked glass, and then 70% on the windshield. So it will be slightly darker. The factory tint was actually 27%, so we're going 7% darker. I think it's gonna look good, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments. Process of installing the XR Plus Nano Ceramic Tint. You need to start by cleaning and prepping the window, ensuring that the edges are completely free of any and all debris. Scrub the window with soap and water. Use a squeegee out of the soap and water off of the window. Wet and soap the window, along with applying soap and water to the film. Last, you place the film on the window, ensuring that it's lined up before starting official installation. Once everything looks good, begin to squeeze out the liquid by using a squeegee. now we have this cool little box here that's going to allow us to shine a light through it and demonstrate the differences of all the tints. So starting off with no tints, we're going to measure it in watts. Basically the solar watts that go through or shine through the glass. This is demonstrating 400, 500 mark. Now we're in the upper threes. It kind of depends on where I'm at on the glass. That's no tint at all, just your regular standard tint. And this is allowing 400 and call it 420 in there, 350 to 420 range. We'll go to the XR, which is ceramic, 80 to 90, so significantly lower. And then the XR Plus, which is what I'm throwing on the ZR2, 22, 21, 22. And it's very consistent. It's not fluctuating as much as the other numbers were. So significantly less solar heat coming through the glass, and out here in the middle of the desert is much needed. So gonna be happy with this. Can't wait to test it out in the truck. Already love it on my wife's Trailblazer. So another happy customer, I'm sure, from Starz. So Hayden's almost done with the truck. He's already got all the windows done, and he's finishing up wrapping the hood. So super excited to see the finished product. Starz is taking good care of us here today, so looking forward to seeing this finished product here momentarily. Process of installing the PPF, cleaning and prepping the surface where the PPF will be installed with soap and water. If the area is too dirty, use bug and enzyme and let it sit for a couple minutes before cleaning it off. After the area is cleaned, completely free of debris, apply the adhesive promotion to tough areas and corners. After applying the adhesive promoter, pre-wet the surface and pre-wet the film, then lay it on the area of application. Ensure the film covers the correct areas before starting to install. Last, once everything looks good, use a squeegee to squeeze out the liquid. Well guys, that is literally a wrap here at Starz. Huge thank you to Hayden here. He did a lot of hard work, especially on this hood. That was not easy. It's actually a two-piece wrap with the PPF. Got the PPF on the hood, have the windows tinted, the windshield tinted. Everything looks great. Finished product. I couldn't be happier. I think the truck looks immaculate. Before you go, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, share it with your friends. We'll see you guys next time.